Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. In today's video, we're going to be putting some Auxito LED bulbs into our 986 Boxster. But before we do that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like if you enjoy this type of content, and also make sure to check out our Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports, where we do some giveaways. We also do some behind the scenes, early access, things like that. Now, as you can see here, neither of these cars is the Porsche. The reason for that is because I am re-recording this introduction because the last introduction looked like this, and it bothered me enough that I am re-recording it. So here is the Porsche, and then here are the Auxito bulbs that we're going to be putting in them. These are just the standard, I think these are H7s. Yes, these are just the H7 bulbs. These are just a plug and play. They've been absolutely fantastic. Now, before we get into the install, I just want to say if you use code TENZA, you can get a discount off of your order. I'll have all of that information and the link in the description below. These bulbs right here are in basically every single vehicle that I have been running in the last couple years because they've been so good. And again, they're just a plug and play. There's no extra harness or anything like that. And we've been nothing but happy with them. Now, when it comes to this Porsche doing the install, we show some befores and afters, some side-by-sides, and it's a lot more intense in person. So if you're watching this video and going, oh, that doesn't really look that much different. It's like if you're looking at the moon and you're like, wow, that looks amazing. You pull out your phone to go take a picture of it, and then it's like just like a little white dot. The camera has a hard time showing what we're seeing in person. So we're like completely blown away, and on camera it doesn't look that intense, but I promise you it is way brighter and makes the car look so much newer. We go through several attempts to try to show the difference, including taking it for a drive. So without further ado, let's get into that install. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have a car that has any Auxito bulbs that are compatible with your vehicle, go ahead and do it and use code TENZA when you order. All right, so here is what the car is going to look like with its parking lights on. And as you can see, this one is still running, but this one is not. We unplugged that. The reason for that being is that we will eventually in the future be doing some daytime running lights. The headlights that we're looking at have daytime running lights. So when you're driving around, as long as the key is in the accessory or the on position, we'll be having some lights run. So there's really no reason to have that. And when you run that, when you mix that in with the LED, it ends up making it look really yellow. So the headlights are going to look like this. You can see the LED here on the right hand side is way more of a white versus the yellow over here. We are going to be taking the car out and actually getting a chance to see the before and after on the headlights. But even right here in the garage, so here is straight on with the old bulbs, and then here is straight on with the new LEDs. Yeah, so there you go. There's a better comparison while just looking at them here in the garage. So let's go get it out on the street and take a look. All right, so you can see here on the right-hand side, there's the original bulb, and on the left, there is the new Auxito bulbs. and it is pretty crazy how different they actually are. Again, on camera, it's a little less obvious, but you can see how much overlap that the new LED bulb takes over onto the passenger side. We are very happy with this. We're going to get the other side installed here in just a little bit. No complaints, no dash lights. We're really happy with it. All right, here they are both on the car. It gave this car a 8 to 10 year jump in how modern it looks. Those yellow lights really that's a late 90s, early 2000s look for this Porsche, and with the runny egg headlight that this car has got on it, it really just solidifies what year it was made, and these make the car look so much better. So we're really happy with all of this. They are much, much brighter. And like we were shown earlier with us driving down the road, the new LED almost completely washes out the old halogen. So we're very happy with this. Again, link to all of this down in the description below. Thanks to Auxito for helping us out with these bulbs, and use code Tenza to get a discount off your next order. Thanks everybody so much for watching. Lots of videos on this car coming up, so stay tuned. We will be having a big announcement here soon. Stay tuned for that, and we will see everybody in the next video.
Bam!